Now your spinal cord against the wall. Coming to Kati Chakrasana, the third asana. For Kati Chakrasana, walk forward. Both the hands up, inhale. Stretching both the hands. The legs are hip distance wide apart. Engage your glute by sucking the navel in. Yeah. Release the navel and see how it is. Suck the navel. See the difference. 4, 5, 6, 7. Release the left hand, left rope. Now Kati Chakrasana. Twist to your right. Twisting to the right. Left hand either will reach to the right waist or the left hand on the left hip. Anything is fine. 2, 3, and our both foot toes resisting to twist. 5, 6, 7. Now turn around to the rope wall. I am creating a sequence. From the twist I am making forward fold. So Parshav V. 2. Parshav Uttanasana you can say. 4, 5, 6, 7. From here, bend the knees and raise your heels. Whenever you raise your heels, your calf muscles will get start working on. And this is where we work on the heart. And it's very, very important. See the population, most of the population heart attack. Inhaling, opening the chest. Back bending, glute engaged. Your throat is engaged, chin is up, heels are raised. If you want to press your heels, then walk one step forward, press the heel. Bend the elbow, shift forward, keep chest opening. Keep chest opening, elbows are close to the body. Anahata Chakra activating. From here, inhale. Come back, exhale, turn around. Shruti ma'am. You can add your own sequence. This is one sequence which I have added. And all the sequence which is given is neutral sequence. It is not supported in the right, not supported to the left. So you can give the neutral sequence after this.
Okay, okay.
है ना? So हम कर रहे हैं अभी Kati Chakrasana left side. Left हाथ ऊपर है.
Leave your right hand down. Feet is hip distance apart. And exhale and twist without moving the position of the feet.
Correct. Do not change the position of your feet. Twist the trunk. Hand.
And bring your hand either on your right side of the waist or twist it and place your outer palm on your left side of the waist. Try not to bend the knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly twist to the front and turn towards the wall. Hold the rope with both your hands. Push your hips back and try and lengthen your spine. Arms, head in between the arms. Inhale, come front. We'll do the chest opening. Lengthen your arms and back bend. Breathe normally. If you want, you can slowly inhale and raise your heels. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale and bend forward, and try slowly exhale and bend your knees and raise your heels. Bring your abdomen closer to your thighs and ears touching your arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly come back to the standing position.